I made a previous video about dealing with snakes that you come across in the bush. I'll put a link to that up here somewhere. And the general rule is if you keep out of their way, they'll keep out of yours. It's winter in North Queensland at the moment, so you don't come across too many snakes. But I had a little interaction with one today that didn't quite follow the rules. It was a black-headed rock python, and they have a habit of getting pretty cranky, particularly when you get into a place where you're between where they are and where they want to be. Okie dokie. He's a little bit cranky. He just went down his hole. That's why he was cranky, because I was between him and his hole. He was just sunning himself out in the sunshine there. But there's his hole there, inside an old burned out tree stump. So as soon as he was free to go down that hole, he was a happy man.